Hello, my name is Tamaka, and I'll be your guide through this amazing journey into physics. Now, if you have ever felt like physics is hard and confusing, relax. I am here with you step by step. Together, we'll make it simple, fun, and connect you to the world around you. So let's start. First topic is going to be using physics to understand your world. Let's be honest, for many of us, when we first heard the word physics, we are like, this course is going to be very, very difficult. But the truth is, physics isn't meant to scare you. It's actually the study of your world, the same world you live in every day. When you plug your phone, when the rain starts falling, or when the keke stops suddenly, that is all physics in action. You have been doing physics since the moment you woke up. You just didn't call it physics. You just didn't make it that way. By the end of this section, we will be able to, number one, see how physics connects to your everyday life. Number two, know the main areas of physics we will explore in this course. Number three, understand the word physics and its real meaning. Think about something you did today that involves movement of energy, maybe like fetching water, ironing your clothes, riding Okada to school. That simple activity is already physics at work. Physics is the study of your world and the bigger world around you. Some people think physics is a punishment that school invented to stress students. That's not true. Physics simply means learning how nature behaves. It's a science that touches everything you can see, you can hear, or feel. When you open your eyes, you are already inside this class. Your world is the classroom. Look around. A car drives past. Palm trees sway in the wind. Someone is carrying water on their head. The ceiling fan is spinning above you. That is all physics happening right in front of you. Let me break it down. We have motion. Motion is how things move. Like when you kick a football, or when keke speeds up or slows down. They are all motions. We have force. Force is the pull and push that makes motion happen. Like pushing a strong stubborn gate to open. 3. We have energy. Energy is the power behind every action. Like from running to charging your phone. Then we have electricity and magnetism. This happens or occurs when the light bulb, appliances, TVs, everything come up when power holding brings light. We have relativity. This happens when something moves extremely fast, almost as fast as light. But don't worry, we'll get to that later in this course. These have been part of human life as long as we have been curious. From the moment people asked, why does this happen? Or what if I push this? What will happen? That is when physics began. The word physics comes from the Greek word physical, spelled as Physika. It means natural things. So, physics is just about understanding nature. That is, the things we live with every day. So next time you hear physics, don't imagine long equations. Think about your life. Like the generator, the football, your movement, your phone, they are all physics. Alright, let's take a pause for a moment and check how much we have picked up so far. Don't worry, this is going to be a friendly, quick check. No marks, no pressure. Question number 1. What does the word physics come from? A. Latin for power. B. Greek for natural things. C. French for motions. D. English for energy. You can drop the answer in the comment section. Question number 2. Mention 2 things you did today that involve physics. Possible answers are like walking, ironing, charging your phone, riding keke. Now before we close, I have small assignments for you. Nothing hard, just to help you see how physics lives around you every day. Number 1 assignment. Write down 3 things in your house that uses physics and name which branch it belongs to. For example, don't use my example. Fan. What is connected to motions and electricity? So write down yours. So you see, physics is not just a big grammar or theory. It's about understanding the world you're already living in. In our next lesson, we will start learning about motion, how things move and stop. My name is Chamaka, and I can't wait to continue this journey with you. See you next class. Bye.